Hello, good people. This is Roy and Mazamba. There's something new that we are going to be introducing, and this thing will be coming live every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. It's a motivational word, a 5-minute clip which I will be sharing with you, with my team that I have with me. Remember, it's all about Jesus, and we will be actually preaching about Jesus. And this thing, I believe and know that is going to motivate and change someone's life. With the number of the testimonies that we are receiving, and in this season and the covering which I partake from my father, Prophet T.K. Mandizita, son of Prophet Magaya, I believe most of you, as we work together, as we share, motivate each other, preach to one another, I believe someone is going to receive something. Someone's life is going to be motivated and to be changed for the better. And in this season of excellency, your testimony is certain. Breakthrough is certain. There's one thing that I've been reading and loving most. If you read the book of John chapter 15, verse 4, you hear Jesus Christ saying, "Remain in me, and I will remain in you. For a branch cannot produce fruit if it is severed from the vine, and you cannot be fruitful apart from me." This is Jesus Christ talking of fruitfulness. But this fruitfulness is talking in the sense that be in me, have Jesus in your life, and you will be fruitful. And I believe as we'll be motivating each other, preaching the word of God, preaching Jesus, as you stay motivated and stay connected to Him with these teachings that we'll be having every Sunday, Wednesday and Friday at 4 p.m. Someone is going to be blessed. Someone's life is going to be changed for the better. Be blessed. I thank you. See you every Sunday at 4 p.m., every Wednesday at 4 p.m., every Friday at 4 p.m. We will be live for 5 minutes, motivating, sharing the word of God. God bless you. Led by the Spirit of God, your testimony is certain. Thank you so much.